people of the quarantine. Today I'm going to be making face masks. I know that the face masks that aren't the N95 ones are said to not work and not be as effective as just like washing your hands, but I would feel more comfortable having one when going into public spaces. And if I do get sick, I'll want to be able to have one to wear to prevent from spreading to other people. So I'm gonna make one today. I don't have elastic, so we'll see how it goes. It seems like that would probably be more effective to have it go around your ears. But anyway, I'm just looking at a pattern from buttoncounter.com that I will link below. First, we need one piece of fabric measuring 8 by 14. Okay, and then 2 strips of fabric measuring 1 inches and 1.75 inches by 6. 2, right? Yes. Good enough. First, we're going to fold the main piece in half. Inside out, it looks like, sewing the sides together. The 8-inch width edge. 1/4 1/4 inch seam allowance. I don't have a sewing machine. I'm doing this by hand, so bear with me.
Other people. So the things that I was thankful for my faith. I gave thanks for my coffee.
Okay, we're back. My camera died and it's charged, and now I have sewn the seam. And so once you've sewn those seams together, you're gonna turn your little mask inside out so that you have the seam edge. We are going to measure and mark a line 1.5 inches from the bottom edge. Make another line 1 inch above this line. Another line 1 inch above that line. Fold the seam edge up or down, making the crease on the first line you just marked. Okay, gotcha. Like this. Flip it over. Match the crease edge to the second line that you made earlier. Okay. Believe that is what we want. So we went like this. Oh, that's a terrible angle. We went like this, and then we went like this. Pin the pleat down on each raw and edge. I wanted to do the pleated mask because I just like prefer how they look versus the like Deadpool one, you know, that one. All right, pleat 1 done. Now you will make the marks for the second pleat. Mark a line measuring 1/2 from the top crease of the last pleat, or 2 inches from the bottom seam. Fair enough. Oh boy, now I have 2 pleats. Repeat the steps you used to make the second pleat, so you end up with 3 pleats total. And you've got your pleats. You're gonna sew the edges, which I will hand sew. Oh. I didn't cut this very well, and it's like kind of on an angle. I don't know if you can tell, like going that way. So I'm gonna start at the shorter end so that I don't start at the longer end and then end up like not being able to finish off the shorter end. Okay, so we have our edges sewed. And now I think we're supposed to attach the elastic. I don't have elastic. I have Wonder Under. So let's see. That should be good. Okay, basically we're gonna go like that. Oh, I should use this piece to measure the other piece. think it's like equally, is it like centered on my face?
Oh, sorry.
Alright, so there you have it. I attached the straps. Again, these should only be used as like a last resort if you don't have masks or if you want to feel like prepared if you were to get sick to protect others. But yes, definitely don't let these like give you a false sense of security. Wash your hands, be careful. But I wanted to have one, and so now I do.
The guy who made the illustration with like the big hands, like washing his hands, he made one like toilet paper. Well, I guess they call it toilet roll.
Yeah, they do. I thought you were reading. You have your book.
Roll.
You have your phone hidden in your book.
I took a break.
You're like in school where you like.
I have 10
it.
pages left though. I'm almost done.
So we just finished season 6 of Love Island, and we feel that Shawnice and Luke were totally robbed.
Agreed. I think they were better.
I think
I was
they
more
were better.
intrigued by them.
Their story was just so much better. Like it was
Yeah.
so much more romantic and cute and stuff.
I agree.
Yeah. So we're gonna tuck into season 5 now.